Let's go. You've got insane torque, a very deep sound. There's just something special about this car, like very special. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2008 Bentley Continental GT on our channel. I want to say a big thank you to LEESBURG Auto Import of Leesburg, Virginia for providing me this car for a test drive. All the information will be down in the description below, so if you're looking for a car, make sure to reach out to them. They got a really cool selection of cars. Well, as always, today we're going to check out the exterior, interior of the car, try to do some 0 to 60 Dragy tests, and I will share my driving impressions with you, and then summarize the test drive. So let's fire up this beast. What an amazing startup sound, huh? I've never driven a V12 before, so this is definitely my first time. And I gotta say, it's so cool. Such a cool vibe to drive a monster like this. You've got insane torque, a very deep sound. There's just something special about this car, like very special. We are filming at a new location today because I feel like it's a little more isolated here. Well, look at that, huh? Gorgeous. At first, when I got into this car, I did not know what to do, like how to get things done, because the infotainment kind of seemed complex to me for a little bit, but then I kind of got the hang of it. All right, let's open the trunk somehow. See, I'm really not good with all of these Bentley technologies, and just I don't know how to use a lot of them, so I'm learning. So bear with me on that. Alrighty. I can only imagine how much it would cost to service a car like this. There you go. There you go. 6-liter twin turbo. Gorgeous. There we go. I think that should be good. All right. Whew. Oh boy. Okay. The doors are rock solid here, so you got to put some effort into them. Let's lock the doors, I guess. Okay. Alrighty. So here we have our infotainment system, our Navi. So this is how it works. We got our audio, our vehicle information system. Okay. Please check lights. AC. This is the climate section. We have our suspension settings here. Heated seats. Okay, Bentley. Okay. The reason why it's saying low tires because it's not able to read one of the tire pressures on the right, but that's just a TPMS sensor, nothing major. We have our cubbies here. Apparently this is an old phone charger. So everything here is in really good shape. The interior is in gorgeous, beautiful shape, leather quilted. All the materials are top-notch luxury. Let's turn down the AC a bit. Alrighty, so Dragy's up and running. Alright, so let's take this baby for a drive. Ooh. Okay. It feels so different in this car, like compared to a traditional, like normal everyday car, because all the controls here are very unique. You gotta get used to them. They're not just like your average buttons. Oh, this is insane. Woo. and we're already up to 60 just like that. That's without even trying. We're already up to 60. Ooh. That is insane. Whew. The amount of torque that this car has is ridiculous. Like, you give it a little bit of gas and it just shoves you right in. Ride-wise, I would have to say this is very similar to, actually better than an S-Class, like the new S-Class that I've ridden in. All right, so let's come here to a full stop and do our first quick 0 to 60 test. All right, let's come to a stop. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So we did 60 in 6 seconds, which again is absolutely great for a car of this class slash size. You have to understand that this is an 08 with a huge ton of weight and 100+ degree weather right now. And I'm not boosting, I'm not doing anything because, you know, I don't want to ruin anything here. So let's just keep it very casual on this acceleration test. We're gonna do one more run backwards just to confirm the results, see what we do. It was still 6 seconds just off idle. Great power, I think it is. Let's do one more time. I do love the layout here. Like, it's just so upscale, so luxurious. Just let this traffic through and we'll go out of here. All right, let's do one more test. All right, let's reset the Dragy. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Ooh. So we did 5.67 seconds, which is even better than before. All right, well, should we do one more run? Let's see. Should we do one more run? Oh, let's leave it at 5.67. But you don't have to even apply the gas hard. You can just press it like this and that's it. It's gonna go. The handling here is actually quite good for a car of this size. It's got good handling. I don't feel any bumps. I don't feel any uneven lanes. I feel absolutely nothing. It just glides like a yacht. You give it some gas and you're going. Ooh. Effortless. Absolutely effortless. It actually sounds like a jet plane. Like the sound of the engine. Like right now, sounds like I'm taking off in an airplane. I love this. And it glides. Woo. You can just sit back, sip your coffee, and forget about the rest of the world because it's so quiet in here beside that little turbine whistle. You give it a little bit of gas and you're going. Woo. Oh, what a lovely experience. The steering wheel is so light that you can virtually control it with like 2 pinkies like this. Ooh. Oh man, this is lovely. The AC blows ice cold, so the condition of this car is excellent. I'm pretty sure with some brake boost we could have done a 5.2, 5.3 second run maybe. But again, who cares about the 0 to 60 in this? I don't. Most of you wouldn't like who buy this car. Heck, I don't care if this is 7 seconds. This is incredible. Like the amount of joy that you get from just riding in this. Who cares about acceleration? Seriously, it's already a minor detail. The visibility is actually quite good, so I'm able to maneuver really easily. And the pull just doesn't stop. It just pulls better, better, and better. Very maneuverable, easy to control. There's really quick response from the throttle, so we're, you know, able to modulate how we want. Whoa. Yeah, the pull is phenomenal. You don't feel the speed whatsoever. Like, I feel like I'm going 30 right now. And this is bizarre. I don't know if you're able to hear it through the microphone, but that airplane whistle is like music to my ears. I don't even have any more commentary to add to this whole experience right now. I just want you all to listen and enjoy the drive. Oh, the sound is just phenomenal. Wow. These cars are exactly the reason of why 0 to 60s aren't the most important things for a car. I know lately with, you know, all these Tesla Plaids, with all these other fast cars, everyone's like, oh, my car does 0 to 60 in 2.4 seconds or 2.5 seconds. I'm like, why does it even matter? honestly. It doesn't even matter. You get these cars just to enjoy them. You're not on a racetrack. And this is the reason why. This just proves that cars are meant to be enjoyed. And acceleration is just one small factor of that part. Here you have all the acceleration you would ever need in a car to do any maneuver you want, pass 98% of the cars, despite having one of the best, most comfortable vehicles on the planet. Well, thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.